Hi you guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete contacts on your iPhone. So have this device on hand so you can follow along as we go through. Let's jump right in. First, I'm going to show you guys how to delete just a single contact on your iPhone. You can either select their name from your list, or you can search their name here. Once you have the contact selected, you're going to go up to the top right and click Edit. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down to the very bottom, and here you have the option to delete that contact. Then you'll just have to confirm the delete, and it has been deleted for you. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to delete multiple contacts at once. If you wanted to delete a whole group of contacts that were all next to each other or above and below each other, you can do a mass delete. To do this, you're going to take your two fingers and press and hold on one of the contacts that you would like to delete. That first one, it's going to select it. And now if I wanted to delete more, I'm just simply going to drag those two fingers down the screen, and it's going to select all of the contacts. Once they've all been selected, to bring up that delete option or the other menu, you're just going to take one finger and press and hold on any one of the contacts until that menu pops up. And so here we have the option to delete all of these contacts. If you wanted to select a few contacts and skip one and then select more, you're simply going to follow the same steps as before. You'll take your two fingers, press and hold on that first contact, drag it down, and if I wanted to skip a few, I would lift my fingers off and select the next contact with the two fingers again, and I can drag down again if I wanted to select more, or I could go back up if I needed to undo that. And then, just as before, I'm going to press and hold on one of the contacts until that delete option pops up, and we'll select that. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, you can also support the channel through super stickers. These basically just help fund the channel, and it helps us continue to create content for you guys. Thanks again, and let's get back to the video. The next step is a really drastic one that normally people don't have to take, and it's how to delete all of your contacts. So even if you were transferring all of your information from one phone to the other, you still don't really need to delete all your contacts, as you can reset your iPhone or buy a new iPhone. However, there is still this option if you needed to do that. The first thing we're going to do is launch our settings. Then we're going to go into our contacts, and then we're going to go into our accounts. We'll select our Gmail account, and then turn off the contacts toggle. Once I select delete from my iPhone, all my Gmail contacts will be removed from my iPhone. Next, you'd go to iCloud.com. You'd have to do this on the computer as it's not supported on the iPhone. However, once you're logged in, you're going to select all of your contacts, and then you have the option to delete all of them. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to delete duplicates in your contacts. Back into our contacts list. If we had any duplicates in our phone, we'd have this option at the very top. It's going to say that we can view duplicates and that there have been 3 found in my phone. So I'm going to select view, and then I can select each specific name that they have found duplicates for. And what you're going to do is just make sure that all of the information either matches or is relevant to each other. If I'm confident that this is all the right information, I'm just going to simply select merge, and it's just going to delete that duplicate contact and just create one that's all the same. And now it's just saying that the duplicates have been resolved. Sometimes your phone can glitch and maybe your iPhone's not letting you delete a contact, and there is a way to fix this. What we're going to do is go back into our settings. We'll go into our contacts, and then into accounts, back into Gmail, and then we're just going to toggle that contacts option off. And then what we're going to do is select the delete from my iPhone. Don't worry, your contacts are going to be preserved in your iCloud, so you can get all of your contacts back, but this is just going to give your phone a little bit of a restart. Once you've done that, you're going to restart your phone by pressing and holding the power button on this side and a volume button on this side until that slide to power off comes up. You'll slide to power off. When your phone turns back on, you're just going to go back in to those settings and turn the contacts back on. This is going to bring everything back in to your phone, and you should hopefully be able to delete a contact after that. Another thing to try would be to go into your iCloud on your desktop and try deleting the contact that way. If your phone is synced with your iCloud, then it should be deleted through your iPhone as well. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that one or all of these methods worked for you. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.